Now coming to Injeel. What is Injeel? In Arabic, what you refer as Injeel is called in English as good news. You must have heard the good news Bible. The good news is the English translation for the Arabic word Injeel, and in Greek language it is called gospel. Gospel means Injeel, or Injeel, the Arabic word translated into Greek is gospel, into English it is the good news. What we Muslims say from the Quran is, Allah said in Surah Ma'idah, Surah number 5, ayat number 47 and 48, and in Al Imran, Surah number 3, ayat number 3, and in many other places, we revealed the Injeel to Isa alayhi salam. We taught Isa the Injeel and the Torah. Where is that Injeel? So they say we have 4 Gospels in the New Testament. The Christians believe in 4 Gospels in the New Testament. The Gospel of Matthew, the Gospel of Mark, the Gospel of Luke, and the Gospel of John. Who is Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John? So they say they are the writers of the Gospels. No. Is this the Injeel? This is the Injeel. This is what the Quran is. No. The Quran is talking about the Gospel of Jesus. Gospel of Isa alayhi salam. Where is that? In your entire Bible today, you have Gospel of Matthew, Gospel of Mark, Gospel of Luke, Gospel of John, and many other books. But we believe in Gospel of Jesus. Where is that? Gospel of Isa. It's not there. So what Quran mentioned as Injeel is not there in the Bible. They are claiming it is the Injeel only which the Quran mentioned, which is in the Gospels written by Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And we are contesting that, sir, what we believe is not what Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John wrote. We want what Jesus wrote.